Hi, Brian from JET Performance Products coming to you today from our headquarters here in Huntington Beach, California. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install the JET Xcelerator in your GM application. So let's show you how easy this is to install on your General Motors application. The gas pedals on the applications aren't identical, but they're all very similar. The connector is the same. On these connectors there's a slide lock. You have to pull back and push down right here to unlock the connector. Now obviously we're simulating the factory wiring harness, but it looks just like this. You're going to pull your factory wiring harness off, set it aside. You're going to install the JET harness where that came from. Plug the JET harness into here, push it on until it clips down, and then plug the other harness into your factory harness. That's the installation of the harness itself. Next, take the JET Xcelerator controller, plug that into the harness that you just plugged in. Make sure it clips down. Now on these, if you have to remove it, there's a small button here that you push down to unlock it that allows you to remove it. Don't just pull on the wires or you'll end up pulling them out. Next, plug your controller into the accelerator itself. Make sure it snaps down. It also has the same similar lock. And that's it. The installation is basically complete. This is your controller. It allows you multiple settings for performance, a valet mode, and a security mode. Your installation's ready to go. Go out and have some fun.